Hey guys, I want to tell you a little bit about your assignment for today since I'm not able to Zoom with you. Your assignment is called Potential and Kinetic Energy, the Lab Room. And what this is, it's some Google Slides, and each slide has a different activity on it about potential and kinetic energy. Now, this first slide that you're seeing right here is just for you to kind of keep track of what you've done. So, like once you've done the Watch It page, you can move this little star over here and drop it down there to say that you've done it. Okay, but not much to do in that slide. But I'm going to go through each slide so you know what you're supposed to do. Okay, so on slide 2 for Watch It, you're going to click on this link. You're going to go to a Study Jams video. It's a short one, probably for 3 to 4 minutes. And after watching it, you're going to answer these 3 questions. Now, I know it says 1, 1, 1, but typo. Should say 1, 2, 3. It does say that over here where you write your answers. So you're going to answer these questions. Now you're going to type your answers over here where it says your answers. And if you look, the answers have kind of been started for you. So there's like a sentence stem ready for you to restate the question and answer it. Okay, so number 1 says, what is energy? Well, the answer over here starts, energy is, and then you have to fill in the blank. Okay, so you're going to answer those 3 questions. Slide 3 is a reading section. Now, you can either read it on your own, or you can click this little megaphone for a link to a YouTube video where I read it aloud. Totally up to you. You can, but you don't have to, you can jot down some notes here as you're reading. I know that you probably do a lot of annotating with Mrs. Davis and reading. So if while you're reading you want to annotate, jot down some notes, there's space here. Okay. You don't have to, but it's available if you'd like to. Okay. Same for this slide. This is the second part of the reading. Again, there's a little link for you to, if you would like to listen to it, and there's space to jot down notes or draw pictures or anything that might help you understand the reading. Okay. All right, then skipping ahead to slide number 5, these 3 questions are about what you just read. Okay. They're multiple choice. So over here in the blank, you only have to put A, B, or C, whatever the correct answer is. Okay. Slide 6, called Explore It, Part 1. You are going to be watching 3 little videos, real short, about 3 different balls being dropped. Okay. And then you're going to answer these 3 questions about those balls being dropped. And you're going to type your answers over here again. And as before, it has the beginning part of the sentence to help you get started. Okay. Now, the second part of Explore It is on this slide. It's really important that you read this section. If you read this, you will know exactly what to do with this. Okay. Now, I can tell you, you're going to be moving these little boxes, the P and the E, to one of these question mark areas and dropping it. Okay. But you're only moving, only 2 of these boxes will have something in it. Okay. Because there's one PE for potential energy and one KE for kinetic energy. And so if you read this, you'll know exactly where to put those 2. Now, in number 8, you are going to decide if each of these scenarios is talking about potential energy or kinetic energy. And you will drag the boxes just like you did on the previous slide, and you'll drop them in these gray boxes right here. Okay. Now, slide number 9 and 10 are called assess it, and that's kind of like a test. Okay. Basically, it's questioning what you learned through this whole activity. Okay, so you've got three multiple choice questions here. Again, A, B, and C. So all we have to type over here is A, B, or C. Then on slide 10, you are going to use these words from the word bank to fill in the missing blanks in the reading passage. Okay, and you're just going to type your answers here. Okay, each of the little spaces is numbered 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're using these words and you're typing them in these blanks. Okay, now once you have completed this, your assignment should have a blue submit button up here. Okay, mine doesn't have that because I can't submit mine. But you, when you open yours in Canvas, should have a submit button. Do not click share. Do not do that because it goes to my email and I do not grade assignments when they have been sent to my email. They have to be submitted in Canvas. So be sure to click the submit button in Canvas. All right. If you have any questions, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as you can, or as soon as I can.